So how would you fancy walking the match ball out onto the pitch at Wembley in the Checkatrade Cup final?
Wow.
Yeah?
This is the moment Jack Nottingham found out he was going to Wembley.
Good lad.
You just loved it, didn't you? Really excited. Really good stuff like that doesn't happen very often, does it?
Jack has inoperable thyroid cancer, which has spread to his bones, meaning he needs a wheelchair.
Ooh, nearly there.
But he's doing extra physiotherapy as he's determined to walk out with the ball on Sunday when the Imps make their debut at Wembley.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing. And to walk out on the pitch with him, I'm going to be so proud, and I just can't, well, express it. It's going to be a great day.
That's maths department.
Jack Nottingham. There's only one Jack Nottingham.
There's only one Jack, but there'll be thousands of fans singing his name after a social media campaign.
Walking along, singing a song.
And from school teachers to fans down at the local, hundreds have added their voice. It all started thanks to a kind-hearted group of tradesmen who used their contacts to arrange the trip.
I guarantee by Sunday everybody who's in that stadium will know who Jack is, and they'll all be singing his name when he walks out.
Even Shrewsbury fans have said they'll join in, but it doesn't mean Jack will go easy on them.
Quite literally, the whole of Lincoln coming for them.
We've been needing this.
Watch out Shrewsbury, Jack's on his way. Helen Steele, ITV News in Lincoln.